Here are the latest price moves in crypto today. Starting with the general crypto market, we can see that Bitcoin is down 0.37%, just a little bit under $26,000, hanging at $25,850. Ethereum is down 0.44% at $1,737. And BNB is actually showing signs of being green. It is coming back up 3.94% at $241. And then if we take a look over here at Doge, we can see it's up just 0.12%. ICP, however, is up 5.32%. Personally, I'm not very familiar with which one. I'm not familiar at all with what that one is. Solana is down 2.54%. We have XRP is down 1.53%. Cardano down 1.16%. And then the rest of the market is a mixed bag. Moving over here to the trading charts with Bitcoin. As I had mentioned in my video yesterday, let's go ahead and touch on that a little bit more. It looks like as if we have fallen within a new channel zone, volume picking up here slightly more today as compared to yesterday, but still overall showing a red candle. And within this channel, we're looking at a baseline level support around $25,350 and a resistance right around the $26,700 range. And so with that in mind, as this continues to move sideways, we wait to see how volatility is going to play out, as volume is likely to be picking up here more. Although we could see some dry spells, it does get lower than where we're currently at. But this stuff starts to wind in, pinching together, and then it explodes out. Oftentimes people reference a Bollinger Band when they're looking at that on the trading charts. Now I do want to go ahead and reference also the 50 and 200 moving averages. As I've talked about in my previous videos here, the green line on top continues to make its way down. Unfortunately, it does look like it is still sloping downwards, not necessarily fully flatlined out or even climbing up. And we do have that 200 moving average that's continuing on a steady climb. And if this trend pattern was to continue, it does look at this rate that it is very likely to end up colliding together right around, or converging together, I should say, right around the beginning part of July. And if that is to happen, that is a leading indicator of what's called a bear cross, which would suggest that we enter into a new bear market. So yes, the price is down from the all-time high. We have had some moments of recovery that have taken place since the beginning of the year, though. And let's go ahead and zoom out a tad bit here for you guys. So if we go back over here towards the beginning part of January, we can actually see that there's been a climb up, a little bit of a drop down, and then you can actually see where that green line I was talking about, see how it crosses over the yellow line? So that would suggest a bull run or a bull market, and lo and behold, the price bounced off of the 200 moving average, and then ended up spiking up, going up to a price around $31,250. Then we continue to fall within this channel. Then we seem to be breaking it down and filling in with within these new channels. And so that really raises the question: if this 50 and 200 crosses over, does that mean that we're going to see a further crash down with that of crypto? Now, some side news that's quite good is that inflation report just came out for the United States, and we have another month of it going down. So I believe it is 11 months in a row now that inflation has been going down. I know people have been quite concerned about inflation. So hearing reports like that suggests that we are continuing to move in the right direction, although it has been quite painful as of about a year ago. And since then, with things moving down, we are on a path moving forward, at least in that regard. Something that is still concerning is the Fed interest rate hikes. The fact that Jerome Powell is still coming out and continues to keep raising those up is really, really irking a lot of people, and we'll have to see how that impacts things as well. Okay, now moving on to the SafeMoon SWAP partner. SafeMoon itself is showing a green candle, but it is down compared to 24 hours ago. It's down 1.08%, and the volume is not looking very good here. It's $24,000 in buy volume, but $80,000 in sell volume. And then SafeMoon over on Polygon is down 2.16%, $49 in buy volume, but $7,600 in sell volume. SafeMoon on Ethereum. We're not seeing any trading activity since June 12th. Evergrow Coin, Here we're up 1.95%. You have $138 in buy volume versus $105 in sell volume. Blockbuster Tech is up 5.93%. It's got $1,800 in buy volume versus $381 in sell volume. Beefy is up 0.15% with 4 transactions. It's $499 in sell volume. BNB Mirror Protocol is down 3.34% with $5 in buy volume versus $507 in sell volume. Bitcoin Mirror Protocol showing a green candle here, up 1.2%, $93 in volume. 2 transactions, both of them on the buy side. Croge is not having any trading activity since June 6th. Crift is looking like it's down here on the candles itself, but do keep in mind no trading since June 10th. Glow token, and that one is up 1.08%. Although if we take a look at the volume, it's $11 in buy volume versus $160 in sell volume. Grove token is up 2.64%. You have $3,200 in buy volume versus $3,400 in sell volume, just a little bit more on the sell side there. But the candle itself is technically up. And for HOD, it is down 0.13%. You have $1,500 in buy volume, $1,900 in sell volume. Live Crypto Party, no trading since June 10th. Potherium, no trading activity since June 8th. Revoltance, here we have it down 2.18%. $21 in buy volume, $25 in sell volume. Looking at a green candle on the day. Pepe is up 0.12% in the last 24 hours. $134 in buy volume. That's spread amongst 3 transactions, all of them on the buy side. And then JP token is continuing to climb back up a little bit more, up 2.52%. 2 transactions, $95 in total volume. And that's what I got for you guys in this video. I do want to know if you guys would like me to be doing additional videos on this channel, if you would be watching them where they're really short form based videos of just the latest news that's happening inside the cryptocurrency market space. These videos would be likely ranging anywhere from about 30 seconds long for a YouTube short to a minute for that, or possibly around 2 to 4 minutes for a longer based video. Let me know what you guys think about that down in the comments below. I am strongly considering doing it, probably leaning more towards the YouTube short type content, and because this news does typically kind of move pretty quickly, and just want to get you guys in and out on those little bits of information. Let me know what you guys think, please, down in the comments below, and if you would watch it. And I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much to my Patreon supporters. Double shout out thank you to WeLoveSafeMoon.com, Victor Vegas, SafeMoon Oz for being higher level patrons. Thank you to my YouTube members for your support as well. Don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button. God bless, and we'll see you in the next episode.